Okay, let's get back to work. Okay. Wait, what? Wait. This should be. Yeah, this should be closest node, right? Wait, by the way, why is the node just getting deleted? Wait, what? Apparently you need to use find value. So let's use DS. DS map find value. Nodes array. Does it actually destroy the right one? Why? My question is, why is it undefined? It should not be undefined. So debug message DS map find first nodes array. Does it give me something? Okay, I do have a reference in there. Why is it not reading it? Is it because closest? Huh. Do I want to recompute closest nodes? Closest node is equal to 0. So what I need to do is just see. If what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god, what the hell? Or Control C. Yeah, it's because closest node was equal to 0. In case it's equal to is undefined equal true. That should fix it. Okay, we still have the same problem. Why? Why? Ah, because of this. Let's just put it back to what it was, which is strictly superior to 1. Okay. That should be exactly the same, by the way. Like, yeah, okay. Every time you execute that, I want to know the DS map size. No, sorry. It tells me it's 2. Okay. Current entry. Okay, before it execute this line, I want to know what's inside both of them. It should both be a reference, by the way. If it's not, that means we have a problem and something's not quite right. Current entry. I think current entry is a problem, but I don't know. Okay, current entry is undefined. Why do I have an undefined one? Where? I'm... Hello. I want the size, please. TS map size. Yeah, sure. TS map, not sorry. want you to give me what you just added, which is DS map, find video notes dot id note dot id, and if I don't put the map, it's not gonna work. Okay. It doesn't seem to be. Wait, what? Yeah, no. Okay, this seems to be good. So at some point it's getting cleared. Fuck. Why? Yeah, at some point it reached size 2, but one of the entry is empty. That's very peculiar. It's not the S-map. Yeah. Okay, let's do a little for loop. Yeah, because current entry is... Wait, is it because current entry should be... Oh, I think I found the problem. This should be after, I think? I think this may be an execution order problem. Yeah, because this is checked after... Okay, that may be it. That may be it. or maybe not. Oh my god. I would guess current entry is still undefined. Why though? Like at no point it should be. Okay, let me just counter. I just want to know when it happens. Okay. I want you to print, so debug message. No, not X, just normal. I want two things. I want you to print the counter. And then I want you to print the DS map size. If it's only growing every frame, that means the size is not like it's not properly like shrunk. I'm pretty sure it's me not understanding one of those functions. What? Wait, what? What? I may have found a problem. Why the fuck the map is at 1028? Oh, wait. I knew something was wrong. That didn't sound right at all. Okay, now it should be good. Okay. Okay, we still have the same issue, which is yeah, no, it's actually pretty constant. 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 1 9 1 10 1. Like, what? Like the counter continues to iterate one by one. Like for like the first 61 frame, it's at size 1. Wait, what do you mean it's at size 1? Is there a point in there that it should have been 0? Let me just like instantly fail the first note because... Okay, so it does go to 0 properly. Oh, I found another problem. That was pretty easy to fix. I need to just check and just need to make sure that there is something in the DS map. This map size. Notes array. Superior to 0. Okay, that's a fix. So now even if I spam, yeah. Okay, you just die. Which is what should happen. Okay, the problem happens the moment... Okay, so that... Yeah, that is very much the problematic code. I think I just probably need to replace it with a will. That doesn't change that it's finding something. Yeah, it should like var equal closest node. Yeah, okay. Let's just rewrite that. Okay. Let's just remove the counter. I have a good idea of what is the problem. Okay, let's try to see if will. So wait. Yeah, no. I think it was good. So what do I want to check? What is the goal? The goal is to find the the note inside the closest note. Because both the content and the key are the same. In case there is some weird ass shit going on, we're gonna do it like this. So wait, no, that doesn't make any sense. Yeah, if it's at least 2, you're always guaranteed to have something, right? So if I guess I just need to make sure the second value is not undefined. Just as a failsafe. So if the smap so is undefined tsmap find next nodes array current node. So we don't want it to be not so equal to true. Okay. And then you want to check if current node dot image index is superior. Okay, no. Before you need to actually update current. Fantasy. To closest node. Dot image index. If it still crashes, that means it's an accessing issue. And closest nodes equal current nodes. Okay, it just freezes. Wait, is this an infinite loop? Ah, we have an infinite loop. Oh, yeah, I'm stupid. I just need to get else. That should fix it. Ah, for fuck's sake! No! It still doesn't work! Oh my god! Why are you still looking at the wrong one? Oh my god, why? Why? Current node, image index, superior. Yeah, but at that point it should be closer, right? Yeah, like it should be way closer at that point. Show debug message. Wait, find next. Yeah, okay. Show debug message. I just want to see if nodes, like by this time they should be different. Control C, Control V. Okay, it's not triggering. That's the problem. Wait, what? Okay, give me a second. I need to go go toilet and then let me take a look at this because okay. Chief, we have a problem with this code. It just doesn't trigger. Which tell me that this is always undefined. Which should not be the case. That's a problem. Wait. Wait, current node should always start at this at the beginning. Wait. This should be always find first. Always. Am I a dumbass? Don't answer this question. I know the answer is yes. Okay, it still doesn't work! Oh my god, I'm gonna go crazy. At least it doesn't crash. It's something. I just saw something. It doesn't trigger no in the right order, but it doesn't crash. Oh my god. Yeah, by the way, those are the two value, which tells me we are not checking the right things. Why though? Okay, let me stringify that. That's current. That's closest. Yeah, it's gonna complain because it's not stringifying. Ah. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, they're always the same, right? Which tell me that it's... Oh. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, wait. The only moment they should be different is there. But they are not. Oh my god. I feel like I'm missing something big that's just in front of me, and when I'm gonna find it, I'm gonna find myself very stupid. Yeah, that means those two are not assigned properly, right? So if it's not undefined, you find the next value. They're always the same, that's the problem. Okay, what the fuck? Wait, what? I didn't change anything, by the way. They are always the same. Wait, what? Should be the inverse. Wait, no, that would not make sense, right? Wait, no, that makes no sense, right? Yeah, no, clearly that's not a problem. Okay, now we are checking. Yeah. We can actually remove that, by the way. It's not needed anymore. I'm gonna change how I do my logic. Instead of doing current node dot image index superior to closest node, which seems to cause issues with them sometime being the same, and like it's kind of a mess. Got that. This is gonna be at the end. Closest node equal TS map find node array next. Oh, I love this song. I don't know, it's very chill. So if the next in line next dot image index this should by all account I think work. If it doesn't work I'm gonna go crazy. Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Okay. Okay, maybe we need it actually. Okay, maybe we need it actually. Wait. We didn't press. It was on the first press, right? Yeah. Closest node. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. My brain is like is like transforming into a puddle. So it's equal 0 or is undefined. TS map. Find value. Nodes array. What's this node? Then you just do closest nodes equal yes map find first nodes array. This should fix any problem. Is this it? Ah! I'm gonna go crazy. Okay, current node and closest node are never equal. Like ever. That's a problem. Get down and the moon and I the home. This decision somehow. Like this should return something. Is this even executed at any point? Like this, it should be executed once. What? Okay, is this? Wait, oh, what? Huh? But yeah, huh? Wait. Dropping. Try that's dropping. Dropping 7. Yeah, like the bigger, the closer, right? They're not crazy. Oh my god. I am confused. My brain is slowly melting into a ball. Like clearly, like this is not right. Yeah, that doesn't work. I'm gonna have a mental breakdown. Are those two always different? Because they should be, right? Right? 102, no? Tell me it's never true. They are never equal. Which they should. So that's good. So that's as expected. Now, why? Wait, no. I want to not the image index. I want to test if they are the same. Like to be honest, it should be like the same because if they were the same, they would have the same image index. So yeah, so they're not very cool. Now, can I get this? Again, there's only 2 nodes where it should be a thing. Right? What? Why is it inversed? That doesn't make any sense. Wait. Wait. I need to think about how they are added. Are elements in a DS map added at the end or at the start? Because depending on the answer, that could explain why I have issues. GMS2. Because I assumed they were added at the end. But that's not necessarily... Okay, that's why. You have no guarantee of being placed at the start or beginning. It is randomly added. Oh no. You have no guarantee. Okay. Does it matter? So I need to test both cases. So by default we are doing the first. Yet how does Wait, then how find first works? Is it randomly? Yeah. Wait. So does that mean the first can change? Is that what you're telling me? GMS2. GMS2. Fine. First. It may not be consistent. Okay, you're not answering my question. Okay, so no. I don't think so. So that's why. So this is an inconsistent, unreliable, like... Okay, you can't rely on find first. Good to know. Should I switch back to another? The thing is, it's very convenient to be able to use the ID. Yeah, so it kind of was what I expected, which is a lack of understanding on how the DS map works. I don't think Max would work. Yeah, Max return a value. I have a little idea of how you should be doing this. Var image max equal v max then you set it to this. Wait, is there a repeat function? Chance to repeat loop. Does that exist? Yeah, it does. Okay. I'm gonna replace that with a repeat. Because repeat is not gonna give me an infinite loop like ever. And I want TS map size -1 loop -1, and you just give it some brackets so it's nice. This code is just hurting my eyes. Let me just get rid of this for now. So if it's equal to image max, okay, then I can remove that, by the way. Else so it's gonna yeah, it's always gonna repeat a predictable amount of time, so yes, repeat is actually the perfect fit here. Else closest nodes equal current node. Oh my god. Would that work? I don't know. I genuinely don't know. Okay, it works up to now. Finally! We found it! Oh my god, it was such a fucking pain in the booty. Oh my god. And hopefully it should just work. Which we also eliminated any possibility of infinite loop, which is great. I'm so hyped to implement completely chopping. There is no purpose stated in there. Why would I want to do that? Was it because of the array? I sure don't know, and I sure don't care, and I think I'm gonna remove it from the list because I don't understand what the fuck is doing here. Implement the keynotes. That's something we're gonna do soon. It's gonna be... It's maybe gonna be a little bit of a pain in the booty. We see. Make chopping HP bar and implement it. And this is where I'm just saying we are on really good track for finishing 2.1 by next week. I am not used to such fast progress. I'm gonna be honest. It's very, very nice. Consistent work, guys. It pays off. Like, I already feel like this week we made a ton of progress. This is great. Even after skipping 2 morning earlier next week, like previous week, like Monday, Tuesday, we didn't stream. And I think still we had good shit going on. And I had like I didn't do full streams Monday, Tuesday too. So did I do Tuesday? No, I don't think I do. I think I didn't. I ended a little bit early. To be fair, it was not the greatest day for personal reasons. Okay. Next, we are implementing the HP bar. The one and only. We're gonna go around in the draw events. We're gonna go into mineable blueprint. A draw. A draw sprite. Are we gonna take that? And we're gonna do a little bit of a copy pasting action. Yeah, I think most of it is just this. That's my hit shield. That's my chopping bar. Spoiler chopping bar, you're gonna get modified. I don't need an offset. Why do I have content? I fucking how does that work in Mineable? What is cont? What is the counter? What do you use this for? Ah, YouTube, no, please. Stop stopping. That's mean. How do I use the count? Wait, what? Wait, what? CNT. Oh. Okay, I see what it is. Come here. Copy pasting, my friend. Less work, more efficiency. Node HP. Okay. There's no HP multiplayer, by the way. There's no such thing here. So node and I think is it no handle? Yeah, no handle. Dot base HP. And here we have node HP. I don't have anywhere where I indicate the player HP. Wait. No, I do. It's just not implemented. It's gonna be the soul, right? It's probably gonna be the soul, right? Node handle. Dot space HP. And I think that should be it. Just need to replace that with by the way, this is an icon, this is chopping HP bar. I may need to just look at my chopping HP bar. That should be it. That's pretty much it. We don't have the drop system done, do we? Wait, do we? We don't, right? We just... Yeah, no, I don't. Okay. There is no drop particle for bamboo. Why though? Wait, normally it should be. It should drop. Wait, what? Wait, does it? Why doesn't it? Is it destroyed? No, because it's done. Is it because it's done too late? Is it just that it spawns with the last indicator? Okay, I'm gonna just lock in. Node handle node X and node Y. Oh, I did a good. No! I think I didn't see it. I kinda don't want to bother with it. Make chopping HP bar implemented. That's done. Look into the bamboo drop. Indicator. Mexican approach rate. Or maybe you're gonna look into it right now. Because we don't really have much better to do right now, I'm gonna be honest. Oh, particle drop. Does it spawn? It should spawn, right? By the way, there is a show in here that should not be in here, I'm pretty sure. Oh no. Yeah, here, drop icon. Should you bring message? That should just leave. There may be something we want to add to our UI system. By the way, way more convenient. I'm glad we took the time to implement this. Yeah, the idea is like you are gonna be able to increase your shopping damage. Okay, it was just poorly placed. Okay. So that's fixed. Look into the bamboo drop indicator. Done. That took so long. Do I want like what do I think about the approach rate? Is it too fast? I think it's fine like it how it is, I'm gonna be honest. I think it's fine how it is. I took a second look and I didn't find anything wrong. We are out of thing to do, I think. We walk into looking into the less urgent thing. Yeah, there's a lot of art things. Oh, yeah. We need to implement the new, yeah. We need to implement the new glitch node. One, it's not gonna be as it's probably node glitched. We're gonna remember that to from glitch to unstable data. I'm gonna import. We don't have an icon for it yet. Wait. This is gonna be the idle. Mining node. We need to import the unstable data node idle. So this one. I kind of want to add like I said, a random, switch between the, like, one, it's gonna make the animation like really seems like it's unstable, you know what I mean? Like random time between the change. Like you can have like things like that, like I think it could be very fun. So this is gonna be the idol. We need another one, which is gonna be S nodes unstable data data damaged. So this is the damage one. It's where you slowly vanish. Wait a second. Why is there like extra pixel that should not be here? Wait, what? Asprite, what the fuck? This one? Yeah, it's not in the file. Like, it's straight up not in the file. What the fuck? Oh, I think I know what it is. Ah, I know what it is. It's you know how like this format doesn't support transparency? Yeah, there was like 2 pixels of transparency left. Let me find the other one. The other one was like here apparently. Okay, this should fix it partially. This didn't fucking... Why did you not... You clearly didn't save it, you fucking... Ah, this is the dot aspirate. Makes sense. I opened the dot aspirate instead of the... Yes. Import. Okay, what the fuck? Why? If I don't press the export button, it's not gonna work. Who would have known? Okay, the other one is still here. It's like barely visible normally. I don't even know if I am aiming right because it's barely visible. Let's see if I aimed right. Yes, I think. Okay, good. It's fixed. Okay. Now we have a toast sprite. We're gonna need to do a little bit of a refac for this to work. Because right now, our blueprint mineable doesn't really support different sprites. Depending on like what it is. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna do a little bit of a switchy switch. And we're gonna go into all blueprint mineable. At the beginning. Okay. I don't remember. It's a state mineable. And we're gonna want undamaged. Mineable. Dot damaged. Like for now we have 2 sprites. And else we want oh yeah, we need to actually add. Oh my god, this is good. This is about to get even more massive. Oh my god. Idle sprite. Damage sprite. I may need to break it down at some point. Both of those are gonna be assets. Both of those are gonna only allow sprites. Hello? Variable definition. I'm gonna also add idle scripts. We want it to be an asset script. It'd be nice if it was actually ordered as it should, which is alphabetically. State. If idle scripts different than none. Script execute. Idle script. Idle script. And then you pass self, so you basically always have everything. A very dirty way to do it, but hey, it works. Wait, no, it's undamaged, not idle. Nuh-uh. Idle is a different state. Wait. So it's gonna take self. Okay. It's gonna take an I range. Let's make image index. Hello. Nah, bro. I want to tab. This fucking little fucker does something else. This way it should be on enter, not on whatever. I random. I thought it was I random. Is it I random range? Here it is. So between 0 and self dot image count. Wait. It exists, right? Ah, it's image number. Where is it? Where is it image number? Oh, should be image count, but image count makes more sense. Hey. I'm not the one who will make the thing. Image number. And that's about it. Wait, should I return that? I don't think the big node system is still on the on effect script, on hit effect, on destroy effect script. Damage sprite. By the way, those should be at the top. Hello? I think those one are fine. Damaged. Undamaged sprite. Chopping mining node. Unstable idle. Undamaged script. Mining script. One thing we did not do is to set this to 0 so they don't play automatically. And now let's go test that. Why is he complaining? Huh? Oh, here. What? And then Sprite. Brother was actually not complaining about that. That was not what I wanted to do. Surviving though. Ooh. Should be Middle Thunder, right? Okay, normally it's bottom center. Wait, doesn't matter now, does it? Okay, it works as intended. Okay, let's reboot. I don't think the idle animation. Yeah, the idle animation doesn't work. That's a problem. Also, is this the right sprite? Wait, what? Oh, the idle one is also fucked. Wait. Did I use Imagine Next? Yes, I did. Yeah, like that doesn't work. Oh my god, that sure doesn't work. Oh my god, I need to fix it. I need to fix it. It's gonna drive me nuts. The 2 fucking pixel are gonna drive me nuts. What? Oh, here. Get rid of this, please. Yes. Export. Yes. This should be called. By the way, this needs to be renamed. I'm gonna do that right now before I forget. Idle here. Okay. This does not work. Get it out of my eyes, please. What one? What one? What one? What the fuck? Just to make sure. I don't know what the fucking frame are being shuffled around for no reason. Our script doesn't work. So does it execute? Did I set it properly? Did I actually set the script? Like, yes. On undamaged script. Undamaged sprite. Yes. I did. So what is wrong with you, brother? Why are you doing this to me? So this should... Okay, this runs every frame, but it doesn't... Wait, what? Why is it not changing if the frame... Wait. Wait, what the... Show debug message. Image text. Oh. If I'm not right, that's gonna be a problem. Okay, apparently the problem is it's set back to 1? Is it because you're I think it's because of that. state. Current state is different from state mineable dot undamaged. That's begun. That's maybe a bit extreme. Also, you immediately see the one that are not moving. Yeah, you need some delay. Huh. How do we are going to add delay? How does current second work? If mod like to say 3 0 a little bit of math. Yeah, sometimes it goes crazy. Actually, don't mind it. Actually, I think it's perfect. Yeah, I may want to like put like 7. Wait. Wait. This is the... Yeah, this is actually the natural animation, isn't it? Oh my god. For fuck's sake. So this kind of don't work. current second. Is there like a time? There's a current time. Which is millisecond. Which every other millisecond is gonna be it going crazy. Actually not that bad. Every other frame is actually not that bad. Yeah, 3 doesn't change much. 13. Oh, wait. Wait. Wait, 13 actually looks kind of cool. It looks like nice and like glitchy and shit. Which is exactly what I want. Can I test back 7 now that I actually It looks perfect, I think. I made an earlier today. So we do glitch node sprite done, but we still need to redo stable gem. Yeah, I think this looks pretty fucking good. It's kind of bad that it's not really compatible with the. It feels so wrong now. Oh my god, it feels so wrong. Okay, guys, we need to make like so many additional sprites for it to like feel right. I think for it to really genuinely work, we need to like rework massively how we go about sprites and like actually use like layered sprites on top of each other or something. Let's just look if the idle animation goes back on like as it should. Like, the thing is, I know I can keep adding frames and frames and frames. Check out that sick animation. Yeah, I think today's session was a little bit like shorter than expected. Also, I did not expect to go through everything in 2.1 that fast. Also, because we removed a lot of shit and like we still like redid the glitch node sprite. We did like a little bit of a refac for mining nodes. Like so much shit to do. So much shit to do. I think what I want to do is maybe wait. What? Wait. It doesn't reset the. Wait. I want you every frame to show me what state we are in. Show debug message. I want you to show current state. Yeah, don't reset the state. What the fuck was I doing? Yeah, at the end of... What? I think I'm just gonna straight up remove big nodes from the game. They just don't do anything. Yeah, so at the end, you need to do current states equal mightable states. No, state mightable. I don't know how I did not catch that. What the fuck was I doing? Undamaged. And now we should go back to the fucking idle animation properly. Okay. And so now I should be able to redamage it and everything's nice and all. Now we are able to get the number back to what they were, which was 12,000 millisecond. Yeah, that's about it. Next week we are we finishing 2.1. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today. That's quite a bit earlier than I thought we would end. Is there anything there that's not art? Yeah, no, I think that's it. I also start having a headache, which probably tell me it's time to end. Just rest. Till next week. See you all next week. This has been a really productive first week, in my opinion. We took care of all the UI shits. And yeah, a bunch of good stuff going on. We fixed chopping, which was a real pain in the booty, if I'm honest. And next week we are implementing keynotes, which is gonna be so annoying. I swear, I know it's gonna be a pain in the ass. I think next thing we are gonna do next week. Next week. First thing we do, in the morning we make the bamboo card sprite. We implement it. We implement the respawn timer. We made the sprite for the keynotes. We implement the keynotes. And then I just want to take a little bit of a look into setting up a nice debugging setup for the the test room, because clearly I need better. I need to be able to better look into the object when I debug, because it's a pain in the ass to have to always do the show debug message all the time. I think if we can implement something nice, I am gonna look into it. We see what we can do. And yeah, 2.0 is basically gonna be done, and we are gonna be directly into 3.0. And crafting is gonna be a tough one. It's gonna be a little bit of a doozy, mostly because it's gonna be, I need the player to be able to move during it, ideally. Which mean we are gonna need to like mess around with the players, and it has the potential to be a little bit messy. But yeah, that's it for this week. See you on next Monday morning. Bye bye.